Unite your whole family around the table this Family Meals Month, because we all know getting the entire family to agree on one dinner can be exhausting. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm fusing together two popular family favorites, a cheeseburger and a quesadilla, using lean beef to make mealtime easy, nutritious, and extra delicious. Fiesta burgers con queso. To get started, grab a medium bowl and combine 1 pound of 90 or 93% lean ground beef, a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts chopped onion, 1 minced jalapeno pepper, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh cilantro, and a 1/4 cup of shredded Chihuahua cheese. Mix these ingredients thoroughly and lightly shape into 4 separate 1/2-inch thick patties. Once that's done, heat a large nonstick skillet or grill pan over medium heat and cook the patties for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping occasionally, until an inserted thermometer registers an internal temp of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. About 3 minutes before the burgers are done, top evenly with another 1/4 cup of shredded Chihuahua cheese. Essential nutrients found in beef, like high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins, provide our bodies with the strength to support an active lifestyle throughout all stages of life. When they're cooked, place the burgers in 4 whole grain tortillas and season with salt and black pepper as desired. Top your Fiesta burgers with thinly sliced lettuce, chopped tomatoes, avocado slices, or guacamole. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, join our Hy-Vee Healthy You subscription for a customized plan that works with your lifestyle.